Welcome, today I am with Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE and we'll check if this smartphone comes with charger in the box set. By the way, this smartphone is from the European distribution, just to let you know. Let's see what we got inside. As you can see, we can find your original charger brick. Let me just catch focus a little bit, and there we can find the specification of this charger on the both sides, and also it's right here. I can remove a little bit this foil just to show you how it looks. So there's the specification of this charger. If you will find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.